Hey guys, it's Jerry Metalman Battaglia. I'm out here at Uncle Lou's awesome yard with all these classic cars, and we just got something new in today. Check this out. It's a 1931 Ford pickup. Truck actually runs and drives.
Put a price on it, $6,500.
So actually the truck is for sale for $6,500, he just told me. It's pretty awesome.
Cool, right?
Yep, spare wheel.
Runs and drives.
Runs and drives. So awesome. Mechanical brakes. There's your 56 Buick. That's for sale too. TVR. Check this out. Four-cylinder. Flathead 4. Awesome truck. The 55 over here. So we're back in Uncle Lou's yard. Ford on the back, got a rear in there. Underneath, leaf springs. It's pretty awesome, right? Solid axle rear. Pretty solid truck. So if you have any questions about this, you can give me a call, 631-620-1046. I'll get you in touch with Uncle Lou. We have a bunch of Tri-5s here as well that are for sale. If you need any parts, you can come over here to the yard locally. He has frames, he has parts. There's cars all over. 57 Chevy right here. There's a wagon. But we got parts all over. And everything's for sale, guys. There's another old Ford. So like and share the videos. But this 1931 Ford is awesome. Again, like and share my videos, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments down below. Let me know where you're from. And that 1931 Ford pickup is awesome behind me. Have a great day. Bye-bye.